Hello, you beautiful people. Do you have a problem figuring out where to put these spacers at? When I switch to a 100-yard spool to a 1-ounce spool? Well, I'm going to show you an easy thing that you could do to organize these spacers when you're not using them. Stay tuned. Wow, it's been a long time since I've posted a tip video. What's happened since then? COVID hit and I was building 60 to 70 rods a year, so I was really busy, and then I'm also teaching still. I have 2 little boys, so I've been really busy lately, and I'm sorry for that. I plan on doing more videos for you guys, and we're gonna start with a series. I haven't figured out a name for it. We're just gonna call it the wrapper tips. I've done the retractable cord for the wrapper. I've changed out your drying motor to a different speed. I've showed you guys how to do that. Now I'm gonna show you from the thread carriage. This is for the American Tackle Pack Bay thread carriage. I have a whole bunch of tips I'm gonna show you guys, something a little bit different. I've been using these for a couple years now. So this thread carriage is what I got a couple years ago from Mudhole at their discount in the showroom, and it was missing some washers, so I found some washers to make it work. But I'm going to show you what I have done to it. I've always had a problem figuring out where I put these nylon spacers at. You know, I'm switched to a 1-ounce spool to a 100-yard spool. I'm losing them. I can't find them, so I came up with a solution to this. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 1/4 inch by 20 screw. This is about a 2.5 inch. I have a wing nut and a washer, a lock washer, and I have a 1/4 inch drill bit. And you're gonna need a drill, but I've already drilled it for you. So you want to take your thread carriage off your wrapper, obviously, and you want to find the center to this spacing right here. Okay, so find the center, drill about a 1/2 inch, and you're gonna drill your 1/4 inch through there. You're then gonna take your screw, okay, and you're going to thread it into that hole. Okay. I wish I had my drill on me. This is going too slow. I'll speed it up. Okay, should be looking something like that. Okay, so let's say you don't need this extra washer, so you just throw it right on there. Okay, and these are actually the same thread count as this. It's a 1/4 inch by 20, something like that. What you do is you just screw on an extra wing bolt on top, and it's not in the way to your pigtail guides. Real easy to do. Now I have other tips that are gonna follow with this, that attach to this, but that's how I keep my spacers out of the way but close by. Thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. I promise I will make more videos for you guys, and I'll have more giveaways to do. I appreciate all of you. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Thank you, and have a great day.